One of the things that break our hearts as a family is seeing children that don't have families. And we've always wanted to try to be a positive impact in the world. And so as we started looking at the adoption list, what we saw were the children who were on there the longest were generally parts of sibling groups. And the most heartbreaking thing was when you look from 1 month to the next and one of those children had to be adopted separately. There's a lot of things that stand in the way of people wanting to take that next step to foster or adopt. GP has made that a little bit easier. You know, I'd like to say the first time they came into the house that it was, it was just this enlightening experience and everybody was hugging and happy to be here and thank you so much. It was nothing like that. We just had to kind of take it slow, just kind of meet them where they are. Of course, one just likes to get stuff, right? So we tried to figure out, how can we give her stuff, but not give her everything? One of our daughters is very affectionate. So, being able to spend time with her, putting our arms around her and stuff like that just really made her feel good. Financial assistance was well welcomed because when you adopt children below a certain age, they don't really get the benefits from the state that older kids get. So if you ask us whether or not we had money saved up for Kennedy and Gabrielle's college fund, the answer was no. But through GP's adoption assistance, we're able to put some money back and be able to provide for them. I was actually a little bit nervous about taking the time off. As I discussed that with my boss and my coworkers, and everybody was just so supportive of, you gotta do this. You only get one shot to do this. Make it count. We went up to Mount Rainier. Originally, they were not that excited about, the prospect of going out and seeing mountains and trees and that type of thing. And once we got there, they have a way of making their own fun, right? You can't bond in a couple days. So just me being around here and being around the house and being able to work with the kids and talk to the kids helped take us further than we would have gone if we had not had the leave. It's just really, really important to me that people consider adoption. Having a company that would give you such a generous financial benefit to be able to adopt is really a big deal. We go to work every day. There's a lot to do, and it's all important, but the adoption assistance and the paid parental leave is a way of just saying there are things more important than work.